Acha, at first I'll explain percentage, then I'll come to ratio. Okay. The chapter is ratio and percentage. First, all of you, just you need to know what is percentage. Acha, if I break the word, this one, percent. Okay. Percent means there are two things. Look, per and cent. Acha. Cent means always 100. Okay. Cent means what? 100. And per means it is out of. Maybe the explanation is given in your book or not. Okay, I don't know. But just if you remember, no need to even look at the explanation. If you remember two things, per and cent. Okay, that means out of 100. That is percent. Up to this clear to all of you? That
Yes, ma'am.
means anything, any marks, whatever, anything out of 100. Suppose in maths, you have got 68 out of 100. That means we can say your percentage is 68%. We told that usually after getting result, usually we say, I have got 92% marks in the exam. I have got 98%. Yes, Tom? So that means out of 100, I have got 98. Got it or not? Out of 100, I have got 68. This one is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All the students, just you can shake your head. Okay. Acha. Now look at this. There is a symbol or sign of percent. That is this one.
Ma'am, a slash and two type dot.
Yes. This is called the sign of percent or percentage. Okay. Look. Done to acha. Then how to denote this 68 out of 100 you have got in maths. Okay. So basically you will get this type of marks only. Because in FA1, so when I checked the copy, I got confused that whether I have done in anything in class or not. You have done so many mistakes and you... No, not Divyanka, not you I am telling, but the other student, most of the student even done this. Okay. But in this FA1 also you are telling, ma'am, paper was very much easy. Very much easy means what? You should get 80 on 80. Yes or no? Tazif? Ifshita, keep your camera on. But I'm sure maximum you will get 50, 55. I'll give full punishment. I will give punishment to the full class, full section. Okay. If you are not getting at least 90% marks. घर में जाके पिटूंगी, ठीक है? अच्छा, okay. Now look at this. 68 out of 100. That means 68%. How to write this one? Just write 68 and this percentage sign. That means 68%. Okay. Okay, usually when we take your copy, on the top of the copy, on the first page, front page, at the top, suppose you are getting 68 out of 100. Usually we write in this way, na? 68 by 100. Then here is the teacher's signature. In this way, you are getting the marks, na? Yes, Tom. So that means out of 100, too. So that's why in the denominator part, there will be 100. Okay, and in the numerator part, that is marks obtained. Got it? That means 68 you have got out of this denominator, out of this 100. Up to this clear or not? All the students, you can say yes or you can shake your head, whatever you want. Is it clear, Anuva? Soham, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Oritro, Yash, Debolin, Shourjashish and Shuhana. Got it though?
Yes, ma'am.
Yash?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you saying?
Yes,
Yes, or
ma'am.
no? You are shaking your head in such a way, I am unable to understand. It is yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Acha, that means we can write in two ways, right? What are the two ways? First one 68, then percentage signs. Second one 68 by 100 or 68 upon 100, right? That means both are same thing. One is percent form and another is ratio form. Understood or no? First one is percentage form and this one is called ratio form. Now it is
And
clear.
please wait,
so?
I am writing.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I can drink water.
Ah, yes, for drinking water, no need to ask, okay? Ujan, done to?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay. Acha, acha, if you have completed all the student, then say, I'll erase the board.
No, ma'am, writing.
Acha, acha, okay, I'm waiting. Acha, basically, in this way, ratio and percentage, these are connected, huh? If you can write percentage, then also you can convert it into ratio form. How? Acha, Trisha completed. Trisha, write first.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed too. Sridhatri, Oishi, Shomoji, completed too.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Acha, Mirza, Sheikh Riazuddin, Orghodip Maji, completed or not, say at first and then turn
Yes,
on
ma'am.
your camera,
Ma'am, now
okay?
you will
Yes,
tell us
ma'am,
how to
completed.
change that percentage into ratio, ratio into
Ha,
percentage.
yes, that one, huh? And what is the connection between them? Shayon, Safin, and Anushka. Keep your camera on. Sneha also. Achha, okay, now look at this. Siddharthi, I cannot see you. I can only see the two fans every day as usual. Siddharthi, sit properly. Achha, now look at this. I'm clearing the screen, huh? Okay, so what I have written 68%. Okay. Got it? Suppose you have got 68%. That means 68 by 100 too. As I told you, this one is percent form, this one is ratio form. Acha, how we have written 68 by 100? When this percentage sign will be there, then in the denominator you cannot write 100. Okay, suppose you are writing 100 in the denominator, then this percentage sign will automatically be removed. Got it? This one clear up to this? Okay. That means, suppose I am telling you 71 by 100. Write this into percentage form. Then what will be? Just directly 71 out of the 100. No? That means 71. Just no need to write this 100. Remove this one. So instead of this, we will have to write percentage. This sign. Got it? Yes? Yash Mandol, understood too?
But ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, say.
Yes, ma'am. In case of that type of number, ma'am, like 71 by 100, if in question it is given as improper number, how we will how we will
Exactly.
convert it into percentage?
Exactly. That will be, look. Yes, suppose you are telling that 125 by 100. So it is improper
Yes,
fraction. Then also it will be 125%. Suppose there is 100 in denominator. Then if we want to erase this 100, then we have to put this percentage sign blindly. Okay. Just put this. Now you can say, ma'am, how is it possible out of 100, one can one get 125? No, it is not possible. But if it is given in the question, then you can also apply the rule. Only the rule, you know. Got it? So that is the rule. If we want to remove that percentage sign, that means in the denominator we have to put 100. Suppose we want to remove the 100 in the from the denominator, then we will have to put percentage sign. Deboli, now it is clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, suppose I am giving you one question. Convert 25% into ratio. Write the question first. What to do? Aritro, what will you do? Saurjasi, Sharpon. Orpon, you joined late.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am writing.
Acha, at first write the question, then I am explaining.
Ma'am, I have written in my that rule. Ma'am, can I show my rule how I have written? By explanation.
Trisha, just wait for a minute, okay? Just let me first explain this one, how to convert, okay? Then I'll definitely check your copy. Or it will be much better, Trisha. Just take a photograph of this page. Just click a photo and send it to me personally. Got it? Trisha, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then send it personally, then I'll check it. Got it? Acha, now look at this. Convert 25%. This one is very much important as well as interesting. Look, first it is given what? 25% too. So I am writing. Now, if we have to write in ratio form too, but it is the percentage form now. So we have to remove this sign. Yes? So 25, if we want to remove this sign means what? Out of 100. Up to this, I think no issue is there. Now, one thing, we can easily cut cancel this now. We can write it into simplest form now. Cut cancellation is possible now. Look, both are divisible by 5 now. It will be 5, 5, 25. It will be 5, 20, 100. Yes or no? Shuhana?
Yes,
So, ma'am, we have to make the answer in simplest form also,
In
like that
simplest
fraction.
form. Exactly. Then only full marks will be given. Okay. Otherwise, marks will be deducted. Okay. Now again, we can cut it by 5. 5, 1 is 5. 5, 4s are 20. So the answer will be 1 by 4. After this, who have not understood, say. Just unmute and say who have not understood.
Ma'am, I have not understood.
Acha, Shuhana.
Yes, ma'am.
Shuhana, in place of this percentage sign, I have put by 100. Up to this, you have understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Up to this? Okay. Then
Yes, ma'am.
the card cancellation, you have not understood.
Yes, ma'am. That's it.
But in fraction, though, I have done this now. In fraction, look, Shuhana, we have to take a common factor of this numerator as well as this denominator, by which we can divide both this number. Suppose, look, 5 is the common factor of both of them, na? 5, 5, 25
ma'am.
and 5, 20.
Yes,
So just divide by 5 to this 25. Then we'll get 5 and then by 5 to this 100. Then we'll get 20 too. Up to this
Yes, ma'am.
clear, Suhana?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
again look 5 and
Yes.
20. Again so there is 5 common factor. Na?
Yes,
Again
ma'am.
there is one common factor, that is 5. Yes, too.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So again we have done the calculation. Now look, in the numerator we have got 1, in the denominator we have got 4. So ultimately the answer will be 1 by 4. Is it clear?
Yes,
it will
ma'am.
be so very much easy. But
Clear.
when we have to convert from ratio to percentage, what to do?
Ma'am, can I tell?
No. No one will say. Yes. Do you know? Basically, Trisha, how can I ask the student? Because this is not done in class, so no. But yes, those who are interested to say the answer, they can. Trisha, right
Yes.
now, no need to say. Let me explain for the others also. Okay. Acha, up to this, all of you completed. Up
Yes,
to this.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. And the most important thing, up to this, all of you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let me clear.
Yes.
Acha, now one question, do it yourself. Convert 35%. Acha, not 35. Wait. Convert 52% into ratio. Just do it yourself. And don't say the answer, huh? Whom I will ask, he or she will be answerable. Acha, suppose it is given, convert this into fraction, then also same thing, huh? But while it will be in ratio, then suppose the last one, that listen to me one thing, that 25% I have done now, that will be 1 by 4, so it is also in form of fraction. But as it is given in the question that ratio, so just is equal to write 1:4 also, huh? This is the ratio sign, 1:4. Okay, that ratio sign I'll explain. Okay, that ratio sign, don't worry, I'll explain. But at first, complete up to this, up to fraction, then that ratio sign I'll explain, okay? Basically, there is no difference between ratio and fraction. Only that is the representation is different. That will be numerator by denominator and ratio will be numerator is to denominator.
Done, ma'am.
Acha, first one 52, that one done, so let me clear the screen, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
52%. Acha, all of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Ujan, you will say the answer, huh?
Yes,
First
ma'am.
step will be what? 52 by 100, so?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know. Okay, now I am able to see. Keep your camera on now. Acha, by 2 it will be cut cancel. We can cut cancel this one. By 2, 20.
26 by 50.
Then again we can cut.
Ma'am, now we can break by 2. Yes, ma'am. Again.
Acha, again it will be 13.
Ma'am, 13 and that 25.
25. Acha. So the answer will be 13 by
25.
this one is the answer too. Suppose
Yes,
the
ma'am.
question
Yes,
is giving, convert it into fraction. Okay. Got it? Then
It means
to
what?
this, basically ratio means one type of fraction, na, that I told na 68%, and then I told you na 68 by 100. This is ratio form, this is percent form. But one thing now you will have to know, as the ratio is in your syllabus, if this is fraction form, the representation will be in this way: 13:2. Okay, is 2 means this type of 2 dots. Okay, is to 25. This is actual the ratio from. Got it or no?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Got
ma'am.
it, Tom?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can you explain
if you
again? I
write-
can't.
If you write up to this, then also full marks will be given. But when it will be that ratio from, then always try to write in is to form. Okay, don't write in fraction. Usually when it will be ratio means is to form. Is it clear? Acha, Trisha, yes. 13 by 25 we have got to. This is numerator by denominator form. Yes, to Trisha. So
Yes,
when we
ma'am.
are going to write in is ratio form, that means 13 in place of this by this sign. Okay, we have to put this is to sign. That is called is to sign. Okay, is to, ISTO. Got it? Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow I'll explain how to
ma'am.
convert in decimal, or how to convert from ratio to percentage, or from fraction to percentage. Okay, got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Now just let me check your copy, what you have done in today's class. Let me take the name one by one. That convert from percentage to ratio you have written, na?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Convert
ma'am.
this
This is
percent-
how to
in
change
ratio?
percentage from ratio.
Acha, wait. In bracket, ratio in bracket, write fraction. Okay, or fraction you can write, because both, when it will be convert into fraction, then also same process. Only you will not write that is to sign. Got it, Tom? Is it clear? And when that will
Okay,
be
ma'am.
ratio, then you have to write that is to sign. Okay, acha, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Anuva, Trisha, Debolin, show me the
Ma'am,
copy.
I can
Okay.
send my copy to your personal number.
Acha, no need to send all the classwork, because I am checking it in class too. Just where you have doubt, only send that one, huh?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, for explanation, ma'am, if you write a question like explain the process, I have write in my way, ma'am, I will send
That one I'm telling. That one I'm telling, Trish. Okay. Acha, next, Yash, Divyanka, Shoham, Shomojit. Shomojit, keep your camera on. Your camera has been repaired though. Then Shomojit. Okay. Show me the all pages. Okay. Divyanka I have seen, and Yash also. Now Shomojit and Shoham. Shomojit, you have become less active in the class. I don't want this. I don't want this. Okay.
How many homeworks
You are a very good boy. Yes. No homework. Acha, write the homework. Convert the following into fraction as well as ratio. That means you have to write that numerator by denominator as well as is to. Okay. Write 35%, 47%.
Ma'am, can you write in the board?
Just wait for a minute. 35%, 47%, and 50%. Acha, now let
What
me
do we
check
need to
the
do?
copies.
Ma'am, you will send the assignment too.
This one, no. This one just I'll create a blank assignment in that section. Okay, you will have to solve. Note it down in your copy. 35, 47 and 50. First, for this 3 question, I am not giving it, okay, in that
Ma'am.
assignment section. But I'll
Ma'am,
create
I am
a
telling
blank
that-
assignment.
Ma'am, hello ma'am.
Ah, yes, tell.
Ma'am,